Okay, you know that feeling when you are scrolling a shopping app for either finding a new dress or a cute top or just for random time pass, and you find the recommendations either very personalized or doesn't even match your tone. That's actually AI trying to find your style and match your aesthetics. And that's the teeniest feature of artificial intelligence in fashion industry all over the world. Hey, I'm Kalesh. Welcome to Kushagi Kalakari. This is episode 1 of AI and Your Career. It's a series where I research how AI is changing every different field one by one because honestly, I was frustrated seeing 100 reels a day about AI. I didn't know how to recognize a reliable source. And I'm quite a curious person, so I want to research this all by myself so I know what's right and what's wrong. So I thought, why not do it on camera? So today's topic for episode 1 is fashion. Let's get into it. So let's start with the thing that actually got me all curious about this, and that's personalization. You know how Netflix recommends us shows based on what we last watched? Fashion apps are trying to do the exact same thing with AI. And it gives AI the data of your cart, your size, how often you shop, how what you bought, what you didn't, everything, even the time of year, and builds a perfect picture of your style. Sounds impressive, right? But here's my honest opinion. It sometimes recommended me that what I would never wear, what I would never spend my money on, and sometimes it gave me such accurate recommendations that it felt uncomfortable. But that's the interesting part. AI is still learning and it will learn more based on the data and for you specifically, which is either really cool or really creepy depending on how you look at it. Now, this part genuinely freaked me out. I mean, AI can now generate clothing designs in seconds. You just need to type floral designs, Gen Z aesthetic, and it will give you 50 options instantly. I mean, isn't that fascinating? But here where it gets wild. Zara has now used AI to digitally dress for their ads. No extra photo shoot needed, and H&M has gone even further. It has now digitally cloned models for marketing purposes. AI is not the future, my friend. It is happening right now. But honestly, my first reaction was, okay, but isn't that cheating? I mean, there is no human creativity. So that's just AI doing the work and where the brain of a person is being used. But then I thought about it more and I came to a conclusion that AI tools with a designer is just like a photographer with a camera. It has the same vision, but the tool makes the work faster. The brand identity, the vision, the human creativity still needs to be a human work, still needs to come from a human mind. And so that's what I thought. And I don't think that designers will be out of this AI fashion, but they definitely will be left behind by the designers that use AI. This has to be the real game changer, guys. Digital fashion. That's right. The clothes that only exist virtually for avatars, games, metaverse is actually a real and growing industry. Companies sell these products, these clothings for hundreds of dollars, and people don't hesitate spending on them. But honestly, by my side, I was like, if I can't wear it, what's the point? But that's just me, and I had to check for my own bias. 10 years ago, people used to say the same thing for gaming, that why to spend money on something that doesn't exist in real life? Now, gaming is a $1 trillion industry. So even if digital fashion is not personally important to me right now, it's clearly going somewhere. And someone has to build, design, and sell these virtual goods. That's a real career that didn't exist 5 years ago, guys. Two more things that are worth knowing quickly. AI is now predicting fashion trends by examining social media posts, runway shows, sales data. A job that takes a team of people to examine these things can be done by AI within less time. The second thing is sustainability, guys. Is now helping brands to stop overproducing because fashion is considered as one of the top polluters. Less waste, less pollution. That's the part that I genuinely respect. Okay? Here's the part that everybody wants to know. What happens to jobs? Certain roles are obviously shrinking, guys. We are talking realistically in this video. Trend forecasters, certain photographers, repetitive design work. AI is doing all that work cheaper and faster now. But here's what I found. There are certain new roles created by AI and fashion collaborating. AI fashion designer. Number one, someone who directs AI tools with human creative judgment. Digital fashion specialist. Number two, design clothes purely for virtual births. Fashion data analyst. Number three, reading AI trend data and translating it for brands. Number 4, sustainability tech experts using AI to reduce waste in population. The pattern: the jobs are growing that are combining creativity with technology, not one or the other, both. So, is fashion a good career to consider in this AI world? My answer after researching all this will be yes, but only if you are willing to evolve with it. Fashion is not just for tech people or creative people, it's for both. The people who will win are the ones that can combine these two. And honestly, that has made fashion more accessible than it used to be. It's no longer for people who has natural eye for style or can sketch. It's for people who are creative and understands technology, which, if you're watching this kind of video, might be just you. That was episode 1 of AI and Your Career. Next video, I'll research another field. Drop in the comments below which one do you want me to research next. Subscribe if you want to figure this out with me, one field at a time. I'll see you in the next one.